how shiny and silky it is. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya Marie, aka Maya, and today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my silk presses on my hair. And as you know, it is silk press season. Silk press without having to worry about humidity and summer heat and rain and all that. Before we get into the video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, that lets me know that you like the content that I'm putting out. 2, be sure to subscribe to the channel, because if you're not joining with the babes, what are you doing? And 3, be sure to hit the bell button when you subscribe to get you notified whenever I drop a video, because we're dropping bangers all October long. Because if you didn't know, we are doing Vlogtober. And if you don't know what Vlogtober is where for 31 days straight I will be showing you all the tips and tricks of the trade while serving spooky vibes so that you can slay all October long. Let's hop right into the video. But I shall see you guys at the end. So starting off with freshly washed hair and also deep conditioned hair. It's just super important if you want your hair to look healthy, soft, and shiny, and also flowy, because I was under the impression that deep conditioning the hair would make it hard to straighten, but that is completely false. I also blow dry my hair in 4 sections, like how I usually do when I blow dry my hair. Some people do 6, but I think it's easier for me to just do 4. And not only is blow drying a super important step in doing the silk press, but I feel like I like going in with my hot comb on my roots just to make sure that it is super easy to just flat iron my hair and I can just breeze right through it in about like an hour or 2. So when I'm doing my hair, my silk press, I like to start right by the nape of my neck in the kitchen, if you know what I mean. And I basically just like to go ahead and do the 2-pass rule, which is where you're going to go over your hair, a small section of your hair with the flat irons 2 times, 2 passes. And I also like to still go in with the hot comb as well by the roots and really get in there, make sure everything's straight. And depending on how hot the hot comb is, in all honesty, I might do 1 to 2 passes. So, and that just gives me the silkiest result. It's the easiest, it's the quickest, and that way I'm just not sitting there all night, especially because I have really thick hair, especially by the center of my head. It is really coarse, really thick. So here I am trying to show you guys an up close of me going in with my hot comb. As you can see, I do the 2 passes, and then I switch that out for my flat irons, which are on the highest setting of 450, and I go ahead and do the 2 passes. Now usually I have like a mirror in front of me so I can kind of see what I'm doing, but I'm just thugging it out, feeling it and seeing, filling it with my hands to make sure that everything is, going how I want it to go. And also, you got to do the hang time swing, make sure everything is moving. And yeah, that is basically how I do my silk presses. So now I'm just going to go throughout the rest of the video and basically just like a little bit of a montage of showing how I do my silk press. Also, I don't know if I said this before, but I do use heat protected serum as well. It is the Chi heat protectant serum, which I'll be linking down in the comment section, down below in the description box. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, and I shall see you guys at the end. I did finish my hair like at night, and I was gonna do my makeup and stuff so y'all could kind of see like the full look, like how I look with my makeup done and my hair done like this. But I figured that wasn't important because y'all watched the video to figure out how to do a silk press, not how it was gonna look at the end. And like I tried to like trim my hair, like I don't know if you can tell, but like when you're looking at me like forward so when you're looking at me like forward or whatever, like a little bit, and it looks so much healthier now that I've like tried to trim my ends. Like look how it's moving. Like I just can't get over that. If y'all want me to drop a hair routine on how I take care of my hair, how I grow my hair and stuff like that, please be sure to drop a like, not drop a like this video. 2, make sure to subscribe to the channel. 3, make sure after you subscribe to hit that bell button, sis, because we got a lot more videos just like this coming up. I got so many compliments on my hair. Hold on, let me give y'all a 360. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. I will now be bringing this video to a close. I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye, babes.